welcome back to Natural A2. This is a Nat2'sday. As you see with the title, I am going to be changing up my hair regimen a little bit because of I've had some issues with my hair. My hair is very stubborn. I get a lot of shrinkage, which is okay. And if I'm not doing African treading, my hair is not going to accept any other way. So that's just the way it is with my hair. So I wanted to change up my regimen to make it a little more easier to manage so I could style it a little better. I tried to do the wash and go styling by washing it and then letting it dry, and then, you know, few strands at a time, just try to put gel on it. Of course, it's flaxseed gel, homemade. My butters, my oils, that didn't work. It just looks like, didn't look good at all. It didn't have no shape, nothing. So I realized that I'm dealing with really stubborn hair, and so I had to troubleshoot what worked for my hair as I can recall when I was growing up as a child. I remember when my grandmother used to press my hair, probably once a month she used to do my hair, clip my ends. She used to do it like every full moon, and I never had any hair damage. My hair was very long. She actually used grease. That's what they used back in the day. So I said I just need to troubleshoot my hair to get it. So what I did was I blow dried it. And as you can see, it's very, very voluminous and it's soft. So I'm like, you know what? This might work for a time because I got some engagements coming up with my business, and I got a lot of good things coming up. I have my new product, and that's actually I'm getting orders for that. And you'll see in the description box, you know, about this product that I have. And for all those that have ordered, I really appreciate your support. This is gonna go big. It's actually getting a lot of attention all over the world right now. So, you know, if you want one, it's called the hair measuring clip tape. If you want one, look at the description below and click the link and get more information. But anyhow, so my question is, why did old school women, why did they do their hair, like put heat on their hair often? And why did their hair stay healthy looking? They had long hair and their hair still was healthy. I mean, they didn't have heat protectants and all this stuff back in the day. They had good old grease. They had, they had shampoo, conditioner, and that was pretty much it, you know. Nowadays we have shampoo, conditioner, leave-in conditioner, styling cream, styling gels. We have heat protectant sprays, heat protectant this and that. You know, they didn't have all that back in the day. So like I say, because of my hair being so stubborn, I've always had very thick jet black hair, and my grandmother used to make it easy for me by pressing my hair. So I'm like, you know, I need to fix myself up a little better. I need to start styling my hair, and for some reason my hair is just very stubborn. It was stubborn then and it's stubborn now. So I'm gonna take some time aside from the African treading. I'm gonna do that eventually, go back to it, but I want to do some old school stuff. Now you might be wondering, are you going to use grease? No, I'm not going to use grease on my hair. I'm not going back to that far back old school, but I do have my mango butter pomade that I make, and I have some other things that I just used, all natural, and my hair feels very soft. I've already clipped my ends, and I'm gonna go. So I'm gonna probably redo my hair, twist it, but it's manageable. I can style it, I can do whatever. So I think what I'm gonna do, maybe every 2 weeks, I'm just gonna wash it, give it a really good deep conditioning treatment, and put all my leave-ins on it and my oils, butters, whatnot, along with my flaxseed gel that I made, and I actually used it when I blow dried it. and then just blow dry it. Now I know there is a product out there called the Rev. It's like a reverse type blow dryer, and from what I understand, it doesn't make your hair, it doesn't cause your hair to come out. It's quick and it's easy. People say their hair is soft. I might invest in getting that because of, you know, time. Now I know there's another blow dryer out there that I think it's the Revlon. It has the comb, what is it? It's like a brush, paddle brush. Let me see. It has something like this. So I'm thinking about either that might be a lesser investment for me, but the bigger investment might be to get the Rev, that reverse, whatever that thing is. It's, for as far as I know, it's huge, it's expensive, but it might be worth my investment. So I'm gonna go a little old school and try to tame my hair a little bit, you know, but it is growing, it's very coarse, it's thick, and I really love it. I really love it. Now it's stubborn and I'm gonna tame it. And then later on, I'll try to get back to the African treading, you know, dreadlock style. So for some of y'all that are still doing that, just remember every 6 to 8 weeks, you need to, you know, replenish. You need to take those things out, wash really good, and you can retread if you want, or you can just, you know, change your style up a little bit. So that's kind of what I'm doing. But needless to say, my hair is doing great, and I hope you guys are, you know, doing great on your hair care regimen. So I don't have a lot to say much after this. I just want to say thank you guys for your support to my channel. Thank you so much for your support. This new invention that I have, I really appreciate those, because, you know, it's something that was birthed out of a need, and it's available. If you want to get yours, just get the link below. It's the hair measuring clip tape. I am on Instagram, and I am on Pinterest. I am on Facebook, but I haven't really been dealing a lot with Facebook, but the links are below for the Pinterest and the Instagram, and my website as well. So, all right, so I will talk to you guys again on another Nat Tuesday, and as always, many blessings to you all, and I'll talk to you soon next week. All right, talk to you later. Bye.